During National Culture and Language Week, Ethiopia celebrates its diversity under one powerful theme: cultural development for multinational unity. The festival is more than entertainment. It is a declaration that diversity is strength. At the opening ceremony, Minister Shuit Shanka delivered a message that resonated across the nation. Ethiopia is a beautiful country blessed with magnificent cultures that shine like a rainbow. To hand over a prosperous Ethiopia to future generations, we must strengthen cultural solidarity and unity. Culture is not only our identity, it is also our path toward peace, diplomacy, development, and economic growth. Language is memory. Language is identity. Language is the bridge between generations. Across Ethiopia, dozens of languages preserve histories older than kingdoms. Every Ethiopian language contains unique philosophies, oral traditions, and indigenous knowledge. In Ethiopia, multilingualism is not a barrier. It is a treasure. Each language adds another color to the Ethiopian rainbow. Every thread tells a story. Every pattern reflects identity, climate, history, and belief. The secret of Ethiopian identity can be tasted in its food. Meals are shared from one plate, symbolizing unity, hospitality, and community. When we eat together, we become family. Music is the heartbeat of Ethiopia. Ancient rhythms blend with modern creativity, connecting generations through sound. Long before modern courts, Ethiopian communities developed sophisticated systems of justice and reconciliation. Traditional mediation systems emphasize restoration rather than punishment. As part of Culture and Language Week, Ethiopia's elders and religious leaders gathered to discuss the future of national unity. Social cohesion is built through trust, dialogue, and shared values. The symposium emphasized the irreplaceable role of faith leaders and elders in peace-building. For centuries, Ethiopia's spiritual traditions shaped moral values, social harmony, and coexistence. Religious leaders continue to guide communities through conflict, reconciliation, and healing. Peace begins when we recognize one another's humanity. The future of Ethiopia belongs to a generation balancing tradition and innovation. We don't want to lose our culture. We want to modernize while preserving our identity. The festival also became a platform for research, reflection, and new ideas. Ethiopia is not defined by one language, one culture, or one history. It is a living mosaic, a rainbow of peoples, traditions, beliefs, and dreams. Its strength lies not in sameness, but in unity through diversity, from ancient mountains to modern cities, from sacred songs to youthful innovation. Ethiopia continues its timeless journey, a beautiful country adorned with diverse languages, histories, and rainbow-like cultures. Ethiopia is a mosaic of cultures, a land where history and modernity converge under the morning sun of Addis Ababa. As the city wakes, we celebrate the National Culture and Language Week, a vibrant testament to our enduring unity. The rhythm of the drums echoes through the streets, calling every citizen to honor the heritage that binds us. From the elaborate Habesha chemist to the symbolic staves of the Oromo, our diversity is our greatest national treasure. I am your guide as we explore the cohesion paradox, finding strength in our differences for a peaceful future. The art of the Shimane weaver is a metaphor for our nation, many threads coming together to form one strong fabric. Watch the rhythmic precision of the loom, where traditional skills are preserved and passed to the next generation. Intricate tillet patterns emerge, each geometric shape telling a story of regional pride and artistic excellence. On the runway, the attire of our diverse nations creates a kaleidoscope of color, celebrating the beauty of Ethiopia. The senses are further awakened by our culinary traditions. Injera, the foundation of every meal, represents our communal spirit. The rich aromas of traditional stews fill the air, inviting all to partake in the flavors of our heritage. Shared drinks like Tella and Tej foster conversation and connection, bridging gaps between neighbors and strangers alike. The energy reaches a crescendo with the Eskasta, a dance that vibrates with the heartbeat of the Ethiopian people. Honorable Nefisa Almadi takes the stage, her voice reflecting the urgency of building a cohesive and inclusive society. Social cohesion is the glue that holds a multicultural nation together, fostering trust and a shared sense of belonging. Our community elders, the guardians of wisdom, sit alongside religious leaders to discuss the path toward national consensus. Their carved walking sticks are symbols of authority and the deep-rooted traditional systems of justice and reconciliation. Academic research highlights how traditional systems can inform modern governance, providing a blueprint for sustainable peace. The path forward is built on 5 pillars, starting with inclusive frameworks that ensure every voice is heard. Institutional support and coordinated systems bridge the gap between regional heritage and national policy. Finally, the education of social assets and continuous research will protect our multicultural society for generations. As declarations are signed, we witness a commitment to a future where peace is the foundation of all progress. In the laughter of our children, we see the success of our efforts, a generation growing up with pride and unity. The Ethiopian flag waves proudly against the sunset, a beacon of hope for a nation united in its diversity. Together, we are weaving the future of Ethiopia, a tapestry of peace, respect, and everlasting social cohesion. They call it the land of origins, a place where history wasn't just written, it was lived. But beyond the ancient stones and epic landscapes lies a secret wrapped in the fabric of 100 languages, woven into the food we share, and kept alive by the elders who hold the keys to peace. At the opening of the National Culture and Language Week, Minister Shuichenka dropped a powerful reminder to the world. Ethiopia is a rainbow. Not because it is perfect, but because its staggering diversity creates one breathtaking picture. Think about it. In a world that is constantly pulling apart, how does a country with over 80 languages stay bound together? The answer isn't in politics. It's in the gersha we feed each other, the clothes we wear, and the way our elders settle arguments. Today, we are spending time going deep into the heart of Ethiopia. Let's go. The minister noted that our identity is vividly expressed in our clothing. This isn't just fashion, it's a living archive. The government is treating this sector not just as social heritage, but as a massive economic and diplomatic engine. This is indigenous knowledge turning into global luxury. You cannot understand Ethiopia without understanding its food. It is designed, by default, to be shared from one massive plate. In the West, eating is often individual. Here, if you eat alone, you're doing it wrong. Gersha is an unspoken contract of trust and love. From the highlands to the lowlands, our drinks and foods are recipes passed down through generations, a taste of our ancient civilization. Music here isn't just entertainment. It's storytelling. It's a dialogue without words. As State Minister Nefisa Almadi noted, we must support this sector with rigorous study and research to build shared national narratives. Social cohesion is the trust built between us. Our elders and faith leaders are the primary architects of this bond. In times of conflict, their voices carry the weight of centuries. We started this journey looking at a rainbow. And what we found is that a rainbow doesn't work if you erase one color. Its beauty is in its collective existence. To hand over a developed, prosperous Ethiopia to the next generation, this unity isn't just an option, it is our only path to survival.